Welcome to Jesse Trying It. I'm gonna try Hostess crunchy donuts. You might remember last time I tried the powder ones. Now I'm gonna try the crunchy ones. Smells sweet and savory, and the surface is all bumpy. And I'm thinking that's crumbs, like crumbs. Is it really as crunchy as they say it is? Like, I know the bottom part isn't covered with crumbs, but I know the tops and sides are. But the bottom one isn't. So, as for taste, well, despite being not too crunchy, it's only like like micro crunching. Like you only hear like mini crunches. But still, it still tastes sweet and savory and moist. It tastes just as good as the lean brands of donuts and the other flavors of donuts. So I give this an A plus, an A plus.